Welcome to Sibra's Dev Diary. Today we are diving deep into the heart of JavaScript strings, unraveling the magic of strings methods that make manipulating text. Whether you are concatenating, slicing, or just plain experimenting, understanding these methods will elevate your coding skills to the new heights. Let's start with basics. In JavaScript, strings are the bread and butter for text manipulation. But first, what is a string? Simply put, it's a sequence of characters used to represent text surrounded by quotes, be it single, double, or even backticks. Now, let's start. Write a simple string. This is our simple string. Let's warm up with a simple but handy method, dot length. This property gives you the number of characters in a string, including spaces. Ratings dot moving on to something more dynamic. Let's talk about dot index method, which help us find the position of a substring within a string. What if we want to grab a part of the string? Easy. That's where dot slice method slides in. It extracts a section of a string and give us it to a new string. Let's kick it up a notch with dot replace method. This method lets us substitute a part of the string with something else. And it doesn't stop there. We also have dot to uppercase and dot to lowercase method allow us to change the case of our string for cleaner formatting or for certain comparisons. To uppercase, you can see results. Concatenation is a big word for a simple concept. Stringing strings together, the dot concat method fuses two or more strings into one. First, we have a toStrings variable, and now we will concat them. First part dot concat, and then we need to add some space in between both of them, and then second part. So you can see here our concated string. Regular expressions are powerful for string searching and manipulating. Let's explore how dot match method give us an array of all the matches found. Let regex oh, I need to copy regex string, and then now I will use the match method in our regex string. You can see here the result. Finally, for times when you want to turn a string into an array of substring, then dot split is your friend. It breaks apart a string at each occurrence of a specified separator. So let's use it. And then we can write our separator. Now let's do it with a dot charAt method. A method like asking string, what vectors do you have at slot number 5? So let's create another variable. Now we will use this method thought. We want to know at number 3 position which vector is this. So here is because start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is A is on number 3. Now, how about giving our string a neat haircut? Trim the barber of JavaScript, snapping away any extra white spaces at the edge of string. Let's create a new string. Let Now we will use trim method to remove white spaces. You can see here, just remove all extra white spaces. Sometimes we need a detective eye. Does our string start with a certain phrase? Then starts with method is on that case. We're going to create another string. We will use now starts with method to find out if it starts with a certain thing or not. Starts with is sending back true that it starts with the. And for the other end of the tail, there is dot ends with, ensuring our strings finish with a proper twist. So let's use that. I can use down here different word. So see what is C is sent us to false because our string is end with false. So this one is the wrong thing. Have you ever lost something in a string? Wanted to know if it is there? Then dot includes method is like a beacon. So let's use that. Mystery dot includes. Okay, right now. So it's sending us that as true. If you are in the mood for echoes, dot repeat is like a canyon, throwing back the same string in the number of times. So let's declare another string and we can repeat this by using repeat method. So you can see here it repeats 3 times. When precision is key, dot substring surgically extracts precisely the piece of string you require. So let's use this method. It's a small letter substring, and then we need to give the range which we want to distract. So this one is our new string. Let's and in some respect least is on the way out meet dot substring. It's similar to our new friend slice and substring, but rather than taking the ending index, it wants to know how many characters to capture. So let's use how. You can see here the result. And there you have it. More than enough string methods to let a JavaScript starter. Remember, strings are the yarn of the web. In these methods, you will be weaving like a pro in no time. Don't forget to practice. These examples are just at the tip of iceberg. Keep experimenting with these methods, and if you have any string related challenges or discoveries, share them in the comments below. And if you find this video valuable, make sure hit the like button and be sure to subscribe for more coding tutorials. Until next time, keep coding and stay awesome.